linear equation. So we have already studied now. Just recall one time. A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2 means intersecting lines. Okay. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 and not equal to C1 by C2 means parallel lines. So we call it as inconsistent. Parallel means there is no answer. There is no answer. Here there is only one solution. Okay. And then A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to everything is same means coinciding line. Very rare. Okay. Coinciding means all the answers will come. Infinite solution. Coincide means infinite solution. Inconsistent means no solution. Okay. Here we again, this is also called consistent. Both these are called consistent because we have answer. But here we don't have answer. So we call it as inconsistent. So remember the condition and never forget the condition. You can write the condition in last minute book. Some children have submitted that blue book as last minute book. Nice. It was good. They wrote the theorem. I have corrected and I was very happy to see that last minute book. Like you prepare, you always keep that book ready. Okay, so that during exam time you know what are all important. Again you will be revising again and again. When you revise, you will not forget. Okay, last minute book neatly they prepared few children and they submitted it also to me. Good. Okay, like that everyone in that last minute book you write this condition in linear equation and 3 graphs you draw and stick it in last minute book, so that coinciding parallel how to do you do and you write and stick that page in your last minute book. Okay, now let us do exercise 3.3. who's dictating? Somebody who never dictated so far? Naresh. Afra. Yes, Afra. Yes.
Exercise 3.3. First, solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method.
So we are going to learn substitution method. Substitution method in linear equation solution. Okay. First question.
X plus y is equals to 14. X plus y is equals to 4.
Substitution method means take this first equation as x is equal to 14 plus y. Shift your two variable, make it as a single variable, and that will be third equation. Okay.
Ma'am, that so is x 14 minus y, no ma'am.
14 minus y. Yeah. Sorry. Now first you take this as first equation, right? Somebody is waiting in the room, waiting room.
No, ma'am.
Check. Some sound has come. Take this as first equation. Take this as second equation. Now what you will do? You rearrange the first equation in such a way that x is equal to 14 minus y. Make it as a single variable. There are two variables, no? So we will write x is equal to 14 minus y. This is third equation. So substitute x is equal to 14 minus y in the second equation. Write down the steps. This is the steps to understand. Substitute x is equal to 14 minus y. Substitute 14 minus y in second equation. Network issue means accept. Correct, no? Because online is equal to 14 minus y in second equation. See, once you change the first equation, don't substitute again in first equation. You should substitute in second equation. You are changing the first equation and you are putting it in second equation. Always remember, changing the first equation, putting it in the second equation. Some children go wrong in that. Okay, change madibittu alle substitute madi wrong madibirtare. So change the first equation. If you change, substitute in second equation. You are changing second equation means substitute in first equation. You can do either this, anything you can do. Now I have done first equation changing. So I am substituting in second equation. Wherever x is there, substitute. So x minus y is equal to 4. Instead of x, you put 14 minus y. Okay, minus y is equal to 4. So 14 minus y is equal to 4. So what is the answer? What is minus y will become?
Minus 2y.
Minus 2y. Okay, do that carefully. It looks very simple, but if you do small mistake, everything will go wrong. Okay, then plus 14 will crosses the equal sign, it will become minus 14. So minus 12 you will get, minus 10 you will get. Okay, so minus 2y is minus 10. So y is equal to, bring that minus 2y together down. Okay, minus 2y will become 5. So y is equal to 5. Easy, no substitution method? Substitution
Yes,
and
ma'am.
elimination method is easy. Elimination is easier than this. Okay. Now, after y is been found out, go back to the third equation. Substitute. Again, you write the steps. So, to attract our evaluators, we need to write the steps and all. Substitute y is equal to 5 in third equation. In third equation. What is third equation? X is equal to 14 minus y. X is equal to 14 minus y. So, 14 minus 5. What is 14 minus 5?
9.
9. So don't stop it there. What you should do? Solution is equal to x is equal to 9, y is equal to 5, and box it like this neatly, so that they will not see how you have done. They will give your marks here. Okay, they'll only check whether you have done in substitution method. Suppose if they are asking do in substitution, you should do in substitution only. Okay, if it is not given any method, you can use. Remember always, if it is just solve, you use substitution or elimination. If it is given, it is substitution, you must particularly use substitution only. If it is elimination, you must use only elimination particularly. Okay, ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಶ್ಚನ್ ನೀವ್ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆವಾ? ನಾವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಅಫ್ರಾ.
Yes, ma'am. S minus two is S minus t is equals to 3.
Yeah, this is.
Sorry. S by
S, ma'am. S.
It is not X.
S, ma'am.
S for Sue.
S minus t is equals to 3.
Yes.
S minus 3 plus
S for Syed Afra. Okay. S minus t is equal to 3. Then
S by 3 plus t by 2. T by 2 is equals to 6.
Now you see second equation looking complicated, so don't touch the second. First equation you change. So S is equal to 3 plus t you change. Okay, make it as a third equation. Okay, you are changing the first equation like this. Okay, after changing the first equation, substitute. After changing the first equation, what you should do? Substitute S is equal to 3 plus t in second equation. Whatever you are changing, don't do that equation. Next equation you substitute. Okay, so write the steps. The steps are important for substitution method. This method is called what? Substitution method. This method is called substitution method. So substituting in second equation, wherever S is there, 3 plus t. 3 plus 3 by t plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now you see LCM you take. When you take LCM, it is 6 only. So you will be multiplying here 2, right? So 2 into 3 plus t. Can you hear me, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
LCM, very good. LCM is 6 means you multiply here 3. Then only that multiplication LCM is, when you take LCM, you should multiply that 3 on top. That is the procedure. Okay, do that procedure correctly. Okay, here you will be multiplying 2, here you will be multiplying 3. This is rough work. Remember. Okay, so you will get 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 2t plus 3t divided by 6. Divided by 6, when you cross multiply, it will become 36. This goes this side, right? Division will become multiplication. 6. Division 6 will become multiplication 6. 6 6 are 36. So 2t plus 3t, 5t. 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. So 5t is equal to 36 by minus 6, 30. So 5t is 30. What is t? 30 by 5, 6. So after finding t, you need to substitute t is equal to 6 in Substitute t is equal to 6 in third equation. What is the third equation we did? S is equal
S
to
is
3
equal
plus t.
to 3 plus t.
S is equal to 3 plus t. So t is equal to 6 andre 3 plus 6 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 9 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. S is equal to 9. So you should not stop it there. Please write down the solution. Solution is equal to S is 9, t is 6. Square it. It should be, if you square it and show, it will be nice. So that you will get full 3 marks. 3 out of 3 you will get in exam. Okay, it's very easy, no? Now, fourth sum. Check fourth sum is a decimal point. Let me do that. Fourth is decimal. Don't worry if it comes decimal also. Try the same method only. You will get. Dictate fourth sum.
0.2x plus 0.3y is equals to 1.3.
Yeah, first equation.
0.4x plus 0.5y is equals to 2.31.
Good. Okay. Now you see, first equation I will change. Okay. 0.2x is equal to, this I will bring it this side. 1.3 minus 0.3y. So what is x? X is equal to 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. Keep like this only. This will come as a third equation. After third equation, substitute. Substitute x is equal to 1.3 minus, don't feel bored to write all the steps. Steps are important. Okay. For us it is boring also, we should do. Because evaluator should know, understand what are you doing. Substitute x is this in the second equation. Don't substitute in first equation because first equation only we are changing. Okay. So second equation only change madbeko. Second equation is this. So 0.4 into x. Instead of x you put 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2 plus, see there plus is there, no, plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. Okay, now cancel this. When you cancel, what you will get? What you will get, Bhagya?
0.2.
0.2.
No, 2 you will get. That mistake you should not do, Dania. 2 into 0.2 is 0.4, not 0.2. 0.2 into 0.2 will become 0.04 ಆಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. Wrong ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So don't, when you're cancelling, be careful. Okay, you have doubt, you go to the rough column, multiply and see. Multiply this 2 and 0.2, see that you get 0.4. Will you do that? Okay, that is a conceptual error. Please don't do that. Next what you should do, you need to multiply with 2 into 1.3. You get 2.6 minus, multiply 2 into this, 0.6y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. 0.6 minus 0.6, subtract and put the greater number sign, right? So what you will get? 0.1 you will get. 1y. Correct. Now minus 0.1y is equal to 2.3 minus 2.6. So minus 0.3 ಬರುತ್ತೆ because 2.6 is bigger number. No, subtract ಮಾಡುವಾಗ 23 minus 26. 26 is bigger number. So minus. Don't forget the minus sign. So y is equal to what?
3.
Again that mistake you should not. 0.3 ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಡಿ. 3 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕು. Because when you multiply with the 3 only, you will get this answer. Okay, 3 you will get. So y is equal to 3. After y is equal to 3 is been found out, you need to, what do you need to do?
Substitute y in equation 3.
Yeah, substitute or putting it into the, substitute y is equal to 3 in any first equation only you do. First equation. So what is our first equation? 0.2 into x plus 0.3y. Okay. So 0, that is x. Third equation we will do, where it's easy. See, this equation we will substitute. After finding, you substitute this. Okay. So third equation, x is equal to, what is third equation? 1.3 minus 0.3y divided by 0.2. So here wherever y is there, substitute 3. 1.3 minus 0.3 into 3. So what you will get?
0.9.
0.3. Again 0.1, when you subtract you get 0.4. 13 minus 9 is 4, right? 0.2. So answer should be very careful. Again 2. Don't put 0.2 there. If you have a doubt, multiply these two and see whether you get this answer. Okay? Like that you should check. So every time when you have a doubt in that mathematics concept, you can check it out. That is the beauty of algebra. We can check it and we can understand whether we are going in the right path or wrong path. That is why I like algebra. Algebra is not a gobra, which makes me gabra, they say, but for us it is easy. Algebra is a very easy concept in mathematics. You know why it is easy? We know we can substitute and check whether the answer is correct or wrong. Yes or no? Yes, no.
Yes, ma'am.
So first sum, second sum, and fourth sum we did. You can do the first main. Now second main, what you should do? Find out x and y, like as usual method, any method, x and y, and then substitute in that equation. Y is equal to mx plus 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ x value, y value substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ m ಸಿಕ್ಕುತ್ತೆ. Find the value of m like that. Remember. Okay, what you should do? Find x and y, substitute that in this y is equal to mx, and you get m is equal to something. Okay. Now third sum. We'll do one sum in third main. First sum. This is homework. Abhijit is dictated yesterday. Afra is dictating today. Afra dictate. Let her complete today's work. Afra, third main. When will Naresh will dictate
Yes,
for
ma'am.
me? Naresh has from the pair of linear equation.
For the following problems and find their solution by substitution method.
Very good. Question. Read the question. Someone. Saida's mic is not working, I think.
The difference between two numbers is 26.
The difference between is 26. Okay.
And one number is 3 times the other.
One number is 3 times the other. So find them. So now any method you can do. They are not telling you substitution method. Let us do elimination method. Now one number. First consider. This is important. Answer means start with consider. One number is equal to x. Consider one number is x. Another number is y. Consider one number is x, another number is y. Every statement sum needs a start with statement, end with statement, children. Okay? Don't forget.
Ma'am, they told to do it substitution method now.
Is it so? Oh, okay. Then we will do substitution. Correct. Very good. Thank you. So some are alert. Good. Abhishek is alert. Be alert like that. Abhijita. Very good, Abhijit.
Yes, ma'am. Abhijit, ma'am.
Super. Now one number is 3 times the other. So x is equal to 3y. So I will write it as x minus 3y is equal to 0. I will bring this 3y this side. Okay, keep this as a first equation, this as second equation. Now must use only substitution method. If they mention, you must use only that method. If it is not mentioned, anything okay. So now x is equal to, shift, change the first as x is equal to 26 plus y. Change like this. Make it as third equation. Substitute third equation in second equation. Okay. So when I substitute wherever x is there, I will put 26 plus y minus 3y equal to 0. So plus y and minus y will become, what it will become? Plus and minus, subtract and put the greater number sign.
Minus 2y.
Minus 2y is 0. So minus 2y is 0 minus 26. Remember, when this comes, don't put zeros. Some people will see 0 and they will think y is equal to 0. That is wrong. Okay. Carefully, 26, when you bring, it will become minus 26 here. 0 minus 26, they'll make mistake. They know 26 minus 0 is 26. But they don't know 0 minus 26 is minus 26. Conceptual error ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು. ನಾವು ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, so when I correct your paper, I will feel I am a bad teacher. When I correct somebody's paper, I'll think, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಏನ್ ಈ teachers teach ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ. Okay, they'll scold you if you do this conceptual error. Let them not scold me. Okay, you should not do any conceptual error. 0 minus 26 is minus 26. So minus 2y is minus 26. So what is y?
13, ma'am.
13, ma'am.
As 13. Okay, after finding substitute, y is equal to 13 in third equation. What will happen? 26 plus y. So x is equal to 26 plus y. 26 plus
39.
39. Now let me check. Now I have a doubt whether I am going in a right path or wrong path. Go back to the question. Question says that when you have a difference 26, check. 39 and 13 difference is 26. 39 go y go difference ಏನು 26 ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ಲೂನು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. So one number is 3 times the other number. See, this number 13 into 3 is 39. So our answer is correct. We are in the right path. So algebra means we are very happy. So we know, if you know that we are getting 90 marks, we will get 90 marks in mathematics. It is not like other subject. You can expect something else will come. But if you do algebra mainly, you get full marks. Okay, so they'll see only the solution and method and they'll give you full 4 marks. So easy to score excellent marks. If you just practice and every day 1 hour, you can score 80% and above in mathematics. Okay, all the best. Do everything every day mathematics. Don't miss due to rainstorm, anything, corona, pandemic, any situation. Don't miss mathematics. Okay, wow. So what is the homework? Homework is exercise 3.3, second sum, fifth sum, sixth sum. If you have a doubt, I will teach you, no problem. You ask me individually, I will teach you and I will send it the answer. Okay, second sum, second main also you can do. Third main, that coach of cricket team is easy only. Second and third sum is easy. Fourth sum I'll teach you tomorrow. Okay, please ma, let's do faster. Do the homework. If you have a doubt, ask your leaders, and your leaders are not able to answer, call, you send the message to me. I will explain again and I will do the sum and I will send it to you. Okay, please do the homework. All the best. Don't waste time. It's very cold. Don't be sleeping. Get up and study a little bit. Okay, take rest. Don't go out. Be safe. Shall we wind up the class? 11:35 only it is. So what we will do? We'll do one more sum. Are you there, children?
Yes, ma'am, we can do one more sum.
One more sum. Second main. Third main. Second sum we will do.
Yes,
Larger
ma'am.
of 2, dictate. Third sum, second main. Larger of 2 supplementary.
The larger of 2 supplementary angles exceeds by smaller by 18 degrees.
Find them. So angle. So 2 angles are given. Angle 1 and angle 2. Okay. So when you do one angle is x. Consider one angle is x. Supplementary of another angle will be y. Now come to the clue. What is it? Clue says, so we will take x is greater than y. Let x is greater than y. Any one is bigger. So what they are telling, supplementary angles. Supplementary means what?
X plus
180
y is
degrees.
equal to
180 degree. Complementary means
90 degree.
90 degrees.
don't forget that. Okay, what you learnt in 8th standard, 7th standard should not forget. Supplementary means if you add both, you get 180. That is only called supplementary. So x plus y is equal to 180. And then second condition. What is second condition? The larger is exceeds by 18 degree. So I told you. So the x is bigger number if we take x minus y. The answer is 18. So this is you take as a first equation. This you take as second equation, or you can solve it. Okay. You can do like that, or you want me to complete? So, okay, we will do that. So, x is equal to 18 plus y. Tell me. Substitute this in the first equation. Substitute x is equal to 18 plus y in the first equation. What you will
second
get?
equation, no, ma'am.
I have changed the second equation, so I am substituting in first equation. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I took it as second equation 18 plus y. So now instead of x you put 18 plus y is equal to 180. So 18 plus 2y is equal to 180. So 2y is equal to 180 minus 18. What is 180 minus 18?
162, ma'am.
162. So 2y is 162. So y is equal to 162 by 2. 81. 81 degree. Please don't miss the degree, because we are talking about angles. After that, you substitute in x is equal to 18 plus y. Substitute x is equal to, substitute y is equal to 81 in x is equal to 18 plus y. So x is equal to 18 plus 81. What is that answer? 99 degree. So don't stop it there. Write down the solution. Write down the solution. Solution is equal to x is equal to 99 degree. Y is equal to 81 degree. So now you check. Now I have a doubt whether I am going in the correct path or whether my answer is correct. So condition is supplementary. Add and see whether you get 180. Are you getting?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So that means we are correct. We are in the right path. So we know that 4 marks is compulsory. They have to give it to us. They cannot escape. They cannot tell that you didn't write this, you didn't write that. Once you found the solution, they must give you full marks. So only mathematics is very easy. You no need to put lots of effort. Little effort and little knowledge can do. Okay. But every day you should study. Every day you have to work out sums. That's more important. Okay. So remember the homework. I'll repeat the homework. So exercise 3.3, we have done classwork sums. Please do classwork sums also and tick in the pencil. All classwork sums should be ticked. You should see the recorded session, which is Krishnanand is going to send. Then that recorded session you keep seeing and you tick it. Everywhere you tick and then you do. Then what you should do? Then you should do homework. Homework tick mad the beda. Okay. So third main, first main only 3 sums, second main 1 sum, third main 1 sum. Enough. Okay. All the best, children. Go to the next class. Take rest. Be at home safe.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, we should submit classwork on